In this short video, I'm going to cover how you can use CloudRF to show radar coverage at various altitudes. Most conventional radar planning tools use something similar to our area coverage layer to show coverage. Turning the various layers on and off can make it hard to interpret the coverage of your radar. It can also be time-consuming to construct these calculations. I'm now going to show you a much easier way of showing radar coverage at various altitudes by using our route analysis tool. I'm now importing the KMZ file into CloudRF, which has points at various ranges and altitudes around the transmitter. We can now clearly see the coverage of our radar at various altitudes around the transmitter. This easily allows us to identify black spots in the radar's coverage. To keep up to date with all the new tools and features within CloudRF, please subscribe to this channel.